Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to take control while you are in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Something to note before we get started is that in order to take control, the functionality will need to already have been enabled for your Microsoft tenant by an admin. To start, the person you are meeting with will need to start sharing their screen before you can take control. Once they start sharing, you'll notice a Take Control button appear at the top of your Teams. Click that button and you'll get a new pop-up window appear asking you to request control. Click on the Request button. On the person's screen who is sharing, they will see a pop-up window appear asking them to give control. They will need to click the Give Control button. You as the viewer will now have control of the person's screen. You'll know it has worked when you see your profile's icon appear next to a mouse arrow on their screen that you can control. You will also be able to type on their screen using your keyboard. Once you have finished controlling their screen, you can click on the Stop Control button at the top of your Teams. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.